In this video, I will show you how to share Exness affiliate referral link. So firstly, make sure you are signed to your account and you're on this dashboard. And then you can click on this invite friends and earn money. Or you can also click on this become partner if you can see it here. So I will click on this invite friends and earn money in bottom left corner. And from here you can see your link. So this is your affiliate link. You can share it and you can paste it on your website or wherever you want. You can also click on this read more to open partners dashboard. So from here you can see all your, let's say, commissions. You can see your profit from affiliate, and also you can click here partner code, and this is your partner code. And you can also copy code here. You can also create like a QR code of your affiliate, and that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.